Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I will be showing you how to make a green chicken curry. It is quite a healthy recipe as it has got tons of greens in it. So let's get started. We will start by making ginger garlic paste. I added chopped ginger and garlic in my blender jar with a few tablespoons of water. You need a fine paste like this. Heat a pan over medium-high heat with a few tablespoons of oil. Once the oil turns hot, add chopped onions along with green cardamoms and a cinnamon stick. As always, I sprinkle a little salt to help the onions soften up faster. Stir the onions on medium-high heat till they turn golden brown along the edges. You do not need to brown them up too much as that will alter the color of the curry. As you can see, now the onions are starting to develop this beautiful golden color. At this point, add the ginger and garlic paste. Stir it for a minute. Then add the chicken. I have taken chicken with bones. I always prefer using bone-in chicken whenever I make curries, as the bones impart so much flavor to the gravy. Now spread the chicken in a single layer so that each one of them gets that maximum heat from the pan. Leave it like this for a minute. Then turn them so that the other side also gets little brown. This initial searing of the chicken locks in all those juices and in turn makes it juicy and flavorful. After a minute, you can now start stirring everything. Stir till all the liquid that comes out from the chicken dries up. You have to let all that liquid dry up or else your curry won't taste good. In the meantime, I have taken some plain unflavored yogurt. To this, I will be adding all my spices. Coriander powder, just a pinch of turmeric powder. Do not use too much of turmeric powder as that will alter the green color of the curry. Then coarsely crushed black pepper and garam masala powder. Add about a quarter cup of water and stir everything very well. Always stir the yogurt very well before adding into the pan to prevent it from curdling. Okay, my chicken looks well fried, so time to add the yogurt spice blend. Switch off your stove and add the yogurt on top of the chicken. Mix it very well with the chicken and then switch your stove back on. Then keep on stirring on medium heat until the yogurt comes up to a boil. You must be saying in your mind, now Bumbi, why do I need to switch off the stove and then again switch it back on? Why such unnecessary steps? We are doing all this, my friends, so that the yogurt doesn't separate and curdle. Yogurt has this tendency to curdle as soon as it hits the hot pan, and if it separates, then you cannot ever make it look creamy again, and your gravy will have all these white small bits all over which will bother your mind till the very end. So whenever any curry recipe calls for adding yogurt, remember these tricks and your yogurt will never betray you. You need to stir till the oil leaves the sides. Then cover it for about 10 minutes on medium heat. In the meantime, now let's make the green blend. I have taken baby spinach. If you are using larger variety, then discard the stems. You also need a bunch of coriander leaves. Beside these, we also need green bell pepper and a jalapeno. If jalapenos are unavailable at your place, then use green chilies. Put everything in a blender and blend it to a fine paste. You can add just a few tablespoons of water if you see your blender blades are not cooperating. Coming back to the chicken, add the green blend. Now cover it partially or else it will become a green swimming pool, and I am not showcasing any of that Hulk-like superhero theme today. See, keep that little bit of opening for the steam to escape. Keep it like this for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes done, let's see what's happening in that pan. Now I will be adding coconut milk. This will make the gravy creamy. If you do not like the flavor of coconut, then you can even add cream. Now allow it to cook uncovered over a medium heat till the chicken turns tender, and in this way the gravy also thickens up more. My chicken has turned tender as well, and I am so ready to dig in. Serve this with hot steamed rice or naan. Please leave a comment as I love reading them. This is Bumbi, and thanks for joining me. Bye bye.